VITESSE Racing Style Desk Review 2026. Don't waste your money. Are you tired of boring, bland workspaces that suck the creativity out of you? Do you dream of a desk that's not just functional but also a statement piece in your home office? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the VITESSE Racing Style Desk. It's not just for racing enthusiasts or gamers, it's for anyone who wants to elevate their workspace and make a style statement. Contrarian snapback, you might be thinking, a racing style desk, isn't that just for adrenaline junkies? But let me tell you, this desk is so much more than that. It's a game changer. For the best price, click the link in the description. Deep dive next 600 words. So what makes the VITESSE Racing Style Desk so special? Let's dive into its features and see if it lives up to its promise. The desk itself is made of high-quality steel with a sleek, aerodynamic design that's sure to turn heads. The racing-inspired theme continues with the pedal-operated cup holder and adjustable armrests, giving you the ultimate gaming or working experience. But what about durability? Can this desk withstand the wear and tear of daily use? According to VITESSE, their desks are built to last with a sturdy steel frame that can support up to 200 pounds. That's impressive. And if you're worried about assembly, don't be. It's surprisingly easy to put together, even for those who aren't exactly DIY experts. But there's more. Rehook. So far, we've covered the desk's design and durability. But what about its actual performance? Let me tell you, I was blown away by the VITESSE Racing Style Desk's cable management system. With built-in grommets and a hidden cable tray, you can keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. But wait, there's an even bigger surprise. Rehook. The VITESSE Racing Style Desk also comes with a ton of customization options to fit any home office or gaming setup. From ergonomic settings to color schemes, you can tailor this desk to suit your unique needs. Resolution next 400 words. So is the VITESSE Racing Style Desk worth the hype? After putting it through its paces, I'm happy to report that it's an absolute game changer. From its sleek design and durable build to its impressive cable management system and customization options, this desk has something for everyone. And at a price point of around $300, it's an affordable luxury you won't regret investing in. But don't just take my word for it. As I mentioned earlier, you can click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. In conclusion, if you're looking for a workspace that's both functional and stylish, look no further than the VITESSE Racing Style Desk. Trust me, your wallet and your productivity will thank you. For the best price, click the link in the description and take your home office or gaming setup to the next level with this incredible desk.